the Russian splits. Take the pads and place one pad in the headpiece and one pad on the bar if needed for traction. Standing onto the carriage, the back foot has contact with the bar. The heel especially has contact. Step the front foot to the headpiece with the ball of the foot in the crease. Move the carriage out and in 3 times from that front hip and glute, and then lifting the powerhouse, bring the body up and repeat this movement, controlling the back leg perfectly straight and strong. Lift the powerhouse to bring the hands back to the blocks, return the carriage, and then move that front foot forward on the shoulder onto the headpiece deeper. Press the carriage out for a stretch and draw the carriage back in, keeping both legs perfectly straight. You can add a turn of the head so that the opposite ear listens to the knee, and this adds a twist of the spine and a little more lengthening of the entire leg stretch. Step the front foot back first to bring the back foot down, and then the back foot steps to the bar, and then the front foot steps to the crease. Bring the body down into that low angle and press the carriage out and in from the hip and glute 3 times to prepare. Lift the powerhouse, hands can go behind the head, and press out and in 3 times that way. Lift the powerhouse always to return back to the blocks. Bring the carriage in and then step the front foot forward so the heel is in the crease of the headpiece. Press the carriage out with straight legs and draw the carriage in, lifting the front sit bone back in space to help draw the carriage back home. You can try listening to the knee again on this side. This adds to the stretch, so just add it only if you need it, and then move that foot back to the center of the carriage to step the back foot away from the bar and finish.